Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and testing a microphone on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the System tile and then select Sound on the left side. Now underneath Input, choose your input device. You can go ahead and select the drop down here and select whatever input device is applicable for your computer here. And then you can see where it says test your microphone. You can see if it's working or not. And you can also select the troubleshoot button here as well if you select the troubleshoot. And it's going to ask, do you want to run a quick scan to try and find a solution? I'm going to go ahead and select yes. So if it's suggesting anything, I'd recommend following along with it. I'm going to just select no in my case, but you should select yes in your case. But otherwise, you can see where it's going to conclude. So hopefully that should have been able to do quite a bit. And if you go underneath advanced sounds options, you can see where it says app volume and device preferences. If you go ahead and select that, you can go ahead and actually adjust the system sounds as well as the input device, so you can adjust on how sensitive you want to make it. Now I have made videos on how to adjust the left and right speakers. I have made videos on how to adjust the left and right speaker balance on your computer, and it would work similarly with microphone and input devices too, so you guys can check out that video on my channel. Just search for it. But other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.